Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn all about JS dates. So first we will start with the different types of date creation. So this is the normal way to create a date. Say I will set this to const date is this, and then I'll set date 1. So there's another syntax for this. So if you do not want, I'll comment this out and I will console.log date. And here you can see that I get the date, the day, the month, the this is the day, this is the month, this is the date, and date to date, and this is the year. Then this is the time, and this is the time zone and all of this. So if you do not want that, so you can do this. So say if I want only some years, say 2021, and then I want a month, say January, or say 11, which is December, and then I will say 4, that is the day. Then we'll have the hour, so say 10, 30, and then this 30 is the minute, and then seconds you will put 0, and then you will have milliseconds, right? So you can just skip that. Then date 1, if I put it and run it, you can see that I added, right? So here you can specify your own values, right? And you can omit like some things. You can omit the seconds, the minutes, the hours, even the day, but you cannot omit the month here, right? Because if you omit the month, it will think that this is a millisecond, right? So for that, you cannot omit the month. And now if I run it, say, so you can see that it picks the first one, and it's the December month, and it picks the first one, and it is 000, so the time. And then you can also choose the milliseconds. For example, if the milliseconds is from 1970, it calculates, right? So, and then I will again try to run it, and you will see that it adds the milliseconds to there, and it gives you the output, right? And then we will have so it'll think this here, this is a millisecond, right? As you so here. Now, if you as I was telling, you cannot omit the month. If I try to do this, it'll tell me this one, right? So that's why don't you cannot omit the month. And then you can try with a date string. So that is like October, say 13, and then 2014, 11, 13, 0. Maybe this is an example. So here, then you can see that thing, right? So even you can write something like this, say 2018, 11, and 05. And you would get it. Yep. So as you can see, that was that. And as I told you that it takes from 0 to 11, right? 0 to 11. So JavaScript counts months from 0 to 11, January 0 and December 11. In this one, it's a different. The date strings, they can take 12, right? So that. And here, you can here it is here you can add 12, like it's 1 to 12, but here it is 0 to 11, right? 0 for January and 11 for December. And one more thing here. So yep, that's it here. And then if 1 and 2 digit years will be interpreted like previous century interpreted as 19 something. So for example, if I set this to be 99 and something, right, and run, you will see that it's 1999, right? So it will be added to 19. So 2 digit and 1 digit will be, you can see that. Yep. So that is it. And then we will do some methods. So we will just do new date. So we will remove constant date 1 and just put date. So now if we run, you can see we have this, right? And so you can do dot. So we have some methods dot to UEC string. This formats it method converts to a date to a UTC string, a date display standard, right? And then you have two ISO string, right? This converts it into an ISO standard format. And then we have the two date string. This converts it into a date to a more readable format, something like this. Now we have many methods with the date. Get full year, for example, get full year. And so you can get the year by a date. Then you can get a month by a date, right? So here you can get a month, and then you can as well get the date, like that date, right? You can even get the date, like today is 30th, and then you can also get hours, then 15, right? And then you can get minutes as well. Then it goes on get seconds, and then get milliseconds, right? Get milliseconds, and then get time, right? So this is the time. So get time, time. You would think that is number, but this is the milliseconds since January 1st, 1970, right? So this is the milliseconds. And then you can also add get day, like get day. So you would see that today 6, right? And then you can also do date dot now, right? This is another method. So this is the same as get time. So yep, that's it, guys. This is about the dates. Please subscribe to our channel. See you soon.